Hi, Cortney and Todd. Just walking you through your beautiful primary suite options here. The first one you will see is this beautiful updated palette, the darker contrast with blacks and tans, the black marble, the beautiful upholstered wall, a gorgeous trim piece around the fabric headboard wall, which is a black bone inlay. The bed is actually a patterned fabric, not jewels, in order to make it a more masculine look. The closet is still being accessed from the hallway. The back wall you're looking at here is now beautiful wood paneling. The TV is there, but it is conveniently hidden behind curtains whenever desired. And perhaps most importantly, we have created this ceiling draped version that is a bit more tailored with these bronze pieces in between each drape, adding some needed structure for the room. In the closet in this option, you'll see the mirror is closest to the bed, as we were keeping this open draped concept that I think you loved, Cortney. We've also updated the light fixture here to be an antique crystal art deco style light fixture. And we've added this darker element around the window, which would either be a wall covering or a bone inlay to match what's happening around the bed in the updated primary suite. We've also updated the marble here to be a warmer palette, and we've added more bronze or brass to the drawers below the closets. We're also showing an option where the primary suite, the door is now moved to the wall just to the left of the bed for easier access to the bathroom. This also is shown in Jacob's new drawing. I personally think this is a more lovely flow in terms of access. And what that means for the closet is we do need to close the entry to the hallway to be able to provide the beautiful arched mirror that you're seeing there. But I think this is a really lovely option, and we hope you love it.